Straight to the field, easy as you like. Nicely gathered by Shuaib, the fielder. And easy for him, trying to punch that one from Qasim Choudi, and gone back 2 for the loss of 1. Chachi comes in at number 3. A little movement from this track. Still it's drizzling on this ground. Three for the loss of 1 from first 3 balls. Lovely cut shot. Stand, and he just plays in between the fielders, superbly using the power. What a batting, according to the condition, according to the merit of the ball, is treating superbly well. Beautiful batting from Apu Besties. Tried onto the gap and beats infield. Man in the outfield just takes a single and gives the strike back to Chachi with that single by Apu Besties. What an incredible innings of Apu Besties we have seen in the last ball of the over. Trying to bull through the onside, only 1. Takes a single and Chachi keep the strike. That's end of the over. First over done. 9 for the loss of 1. 9 GMC Taira. Coming into the action by Yasir Arafat. Chachi on strike and Apu Besties, the informed batter. Nice delivery, depositing on the channel and little quick movement. We can see in consecutive time, it's helping a lot for the bowlers. That's a quality stroke. Wonderful one place over the extra cover region by Chachi. Scintillating batting by the team. GMC Taira, they lost the first game. And what a true comeback we have seen. Apu led from the front. And he was scored over 40 runs from just 17 balls. Oh, just over. Well, gives a warning for one bounce. Apu Besties is appealing there. Just a dot ball. 15. Oh, that is again a loading pace. And it's moving quickly from the track. Little bit fast movement for the bowlers. When they're hitting on the channel, it gone past the bat quickly. In consecutive time, Yasir Arafat knows the trick and he executing the trick. No connection there and with the perfect timing. No contact in a proper way. Just moving between the wicket again. അവസാന പന്തിലേക്ക് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഓവർ പുരോഗമിക്കുമ്പോൾ 16 റൺസുകൾ. You have seen a 6 from the bat of Chachi. You have seen a boundary from the bat of Apu Besties. Thank you, Naushu. Cuts again and cuts into the distance, and it's all the way for 6 runs by Apu Besties. What a productive over for the batting side of GMC Taira. End of 2, 22 for the loss of 1. 22 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ മഴക്കോട്ട് സംഘടിപ്പിച്ച് യൂനിസ് കാരത്തോട് along with the Nivas Tirur. Twenty-three with that single. Little under edge from the blade of Apu Besties. Is a serious 6-hitter for the team GMC Taira. One who hit 7 sixes in an innings, that is Apu Besties. Oh, that is his quality, high in the sky, and there is absolutely dispatching into the sky by Apu Besties again. Such a quality batter. Always love to hit some sixes, and this time into the mid wicket. 29. Trying to cut. Gets a connection. It will be a single by Apu Besties. 30 റൺസിലേക്ക് എത്തുന്നു. ഈ ഒരു കണ്ടീഷനിലും കൃത്യമായി വിക്കറ്റുകൾ കീപ്പ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടുള്ള ആ ഒരു പാർട്ട്ണർഷിപ്പ് അത് ബിൽഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വിധം എങ്ങനെയെന്ന് കൃത്യമായി കാണിച്ചു തരുന്ന ബാറ്റേഴ്സ്. To the onside by Chachi, going fantastic way by these two, and this will be another single, giving strike back to Upper Besties and moving to the last ball. Gone and little bit edge, and what a celebration from the bowler Mujib. He is celebrating with that big wicket, why not? And that's a wicket exactly the bowler demand, and he delivered from his last delivery, end of the over. 3 overs done. 31 for the loss of 2. 31-2 3 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ in the sky, Chachi is high in the sky, and there it is, another biggie. Yes, it is 6, had given the signal by the fielder himself, hands off, and followed by the umpire. All start beautifully for the batters, and Chachi and Upper Besties, we have seen they made a partnership. After that, oh man, this is absolutely a destroying batting at this level. Bestie just exploring here. Chachi with a tremendous connection with an exquisite timing. Sammu Chattanjal on the other side, it looks cool. ആ സ്ക്വയർ ലെഗിലുള്ള ക്യാമറ സ്റ്റാൻഡിന്റെ മുകളിൽ ഒരാൾക്കുള്ള കപ്പാസിറ്റിയാണ് നമ്മുടെ നിർമ്മാണത്തിൽ, ബട്ട് 3-4 പേരെ കാണുന്നു. അറിയിച്ചെന്ന് മാത്രം, നിങ്ങളുടെ സുരക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി. Two sixes after, back with the dot ball by Afri. Using again his variation in front of the informed batter Chachi, just allowed a single travel on this occasion that brings Sammu Chattanjal. Afri is going back to load the action again. Sammu Chattanjal just gone through the onside first and completed. Chachi's looks interesting to go with some runs between the wicket, and this will be only one. Is so quick, and Chachi also producing some good connections. Another one. This man is a genius. The time and scenario is little difficult for the batters, but this man having nothing affected, is just making the scenes little favor for the batting side. 50 comes up. 51. 4 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 51. Oh, this is exactly the quality batter who producing some runs, especially with some sixes. Excellently waiting for that length of the batters, length of the bowlers, and treating really well by the batter. Good runs, good numbers on the board for GMC Taira. Here comes the last over. Rafiq Badria comes and straight away cuts that one by Sammu Chattanjal, gives the strike back to Chachi. That's important. The informed batter Chachi is on 29 from 14. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Another six from Chachi. Magnificent connections in consecutive time. Sixes look simple for Chachi. In back-to-back time, he's setting the scorecard in a fluency way for the team. GMC Taira is flying high in the sky. A little furiously fast and kept the line away from the batter. That is important. Away from the slot of Chachi by Rapi. Full toss to the gap. Two fielders comes and it will be looking for second. Wonderful running between the wicket and Sammu Chattanjal calls for two and respond looks really well from Chachi. Two more runs in an ease way. That brings 60 for the team GMC Taira. Here comes again. Oh, straight down the ground. He's just making a gain as the fielder, as a spectator. That is spectacular from Chachi. 66 with that Chachi is just loading sixes here. Raining sixes we can see here in Lords. Last ball of the innings. Another one. Humongous height and distance by Chachi. A magnificent batting by the genius batter. 19 പന്തിൽ 49 റൺസുമായി ചാച്ചിയുടെ കിടിലൻ ബാറ്റിംഗ് 72 റൺസ് സമ്മാനിക്കുന്നു. ഒരു വണ്ടി മാറ്റി പാർക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. KL14 AF 8895. അസ്കർ മുഅസ്സിന്റെ ആദ്യ പന്ത് played for a single and off the mark. Beautiful bounce from Askar Voss. Lovely execution from Askar on this occasion. Good start there. Misses the length and line on this occasion. Goes away. A little difficult for the bowlers to come with a little long run up when the rain is falling onto the ground. But when you load that kind of delivery, oh seriously, loading some pace. When coming down the track by Ali, it will be looks to be fantastic from Askar Was. Thank you Moiduch again. Moicha, thank you. എല്ലാവിധ സപ്പോർട്ടും എല്ലാ ഭാഗത്തേക്കും എത്തിക്കുന്ന മൊയ്ച്ചയാണ് ഈ ഒരു ടൂർണമെന്റ് മറ്റൊരു വിജയത്തിന്റെ അടിസ്ഥാന ഘടകം. It's again by the little genius Askar Was with another beauty of a delivery. Nothing chance given for the batter to react. 2 balls to go from the over number 1. That's in the air. Not getting the connection right. Needs some power with the right timing. That exactly the batters need at this time. Just another single. Yasir Arafat back to the strikers end. Last ball of the over number 1. Oh, in the air. Lands safely from the blade of Arafat, and he takes a single and keeps strike. That's the end of a successful over from Askar Was. 4 runs came from the over, 4 without loss, and they need 69 from 24. ടോസിന് വേണ്ടി ക്യാപ്റ്റൻസ് എത്തിച്ചേരുക. നജാഫ്, ക്ലബ് 96. Oh, wide ball, straight away the call from the ump. This time, no ball. No ball is the call from the ump. Six on card with that. Here we can see the signal of free hit. Magnificently back with that strong delivery. Nice connection from the blade, but it will be nothing for the batters. Go straight to the fielder, and Yasir Arafat standing deep on the crease. He looks to play deep innings, long innings. Oh, that is some connection over the infield, but not more than a one. Only one to settle on this occasion. runs on card from 9 balls. Oh, that is good connection. And once again the try. This time it's went and vain. That's a boundary from the blade of Yasir Arafat. And it will be 12 on card. യൂട്യൂബിലൂടെ കളി കാണുന്നവരുടെ ശ്രദ്ധയിലേക്ക് ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് സ്കോർ ബോർഡ് കട്ടാവുന്നത് നെറ്റിന്റെ ഇഷ്യൂ ആണ്. ശക്തമായ മഴ കാസർഗോഡിന്റെ വിവിധ പ്രദേശങ്ങളിൽ ഈ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ അത് കളിയെ സാരമായി ബാധിച്ചെങ്കിലും വി ആർ ജസ്റ്റ് ഗോയിങ് വിത്ത് എ റിതം. Two balls to go, 61 required from 20 balls. Straight to the field, makes no mistake. And that will be the wicket of Yasir Arafat, the first one down from the chasing side. Askar Kalangai, the fielder, a perfect way he gathered, and that produced the first wicket. One more to go from the over. New batter comes in, Asib. Last ball of Kasim Churi's over. Over the infield, an absolute brilliant. Through the covers by Asif. He generally push with that cover shot through the cover. Lovely way off the mark, and with that boundary, 16 for 1, 2 overs done, 57 required, 3 over left. അൻപത്തിയേഴ് റൺസ് ഇനി ടാർഗറ്റിലേക്ക്. 18 പന്തുകൾ ശേഷിക്കുമ്പോൾ 57 ലക്ഷ്യം. ഓരോ ഗ്യാപ്പിലും ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലേക്ക് അൻസാഫിന്റെ അപ്പു ബെസ്റ്റീസ് എത്തുന്നു. 18 പന്തുകൾ ശേഷിക്കുമ്പോൾ 57 ടാർഗറ്റ് മത്സര വിജയത്തിന്. Tribune side finds a fielder just for a single, and things are all controlling by the bowling side. Looks to be they lost only 1 wicket. In the channel, Apu Besties superbly beats a batter. India, and into the ends of the field, Asib is gone back. Wicket for Apu Besties, showcasing his all-round performance. And this will be an interesting way the bowlers are controlling the game. Traffic is really well controlling by the bowlers and the rain. Ansaf on air. And he lands safely and gets his first run off the mark by Ansaf. 18 റൺസുകൾ. ഇനി 55 റൺസുകൾ 14-ൽ. Only Ledge and Apu Besties is delivering some superb one in front of Ali, the settled batter, but it will be, the condition looks to be very much favor for the bowlers. We have seen a tremendous innings from Chachi that brings a very good numbers on the card. End of the over. 18 on card. 12 balls of cricket left, 55 required. Muthu Angola. Straight up in the sky. Long on fielder comes and grabs. Oh no, that puts it down. Qasim Churi, the best fielder in the side, but it will be a little bit difficult to judge. Tossing time, the captain. Tossing report cheyega. Najaf. Kaya. Najaf on the toss. Okay, thank you. Patil. Two for two. And that is a fabulous line by Chachi. What a performer, what an excellent all-round performer. Scored a 49 valuable runs in the previous innings in a very, very tough time for the batters. What a pickup of length. No ball, loud call from the umpire on center. And Riaz, the fielder was react really. Free hit delivery. To the dugout. Only one on this occasion, that brings a 25. 7 പന്തുകൾ ശേഷിക്കുന്നു. 48 actual target from 7 deliveries. Lovely from Chachi. gets a single in his way, and that will be the end of an outstanding all-round performance by Chachi in this game for the team GMC Taira. 6 പന്തുകൾ മാത്രം ശേഷിക്കുന്നു. കളി കൃത്യമായി ഫീൽഡേഴ്സിന്റെ കൈകളിൽ നിൽക്കുന്നു. 47 റൺസ് ഇനിയും നേടണം. But only 6 balls remaining. അവസാന 6 പന്തിന്റെ ആക്ഷനിലേക്ക് ഈ ഒരു മത്സരം കടക്കുമ്പോൾ സമ്മു ചടഞ്ചാലെത്തുന്നു ബോളറായി. 2 വിജയങ്ങളോടുകൂടി തുടങ്ങിയ ടീം ബാസ്ക് ബദിര നല്ലൊരു പന്തുമായി over the infield, and 1-2 bounces and over the row for a boundary for 4 by Ansoff. Edge and gone past into the dugout. (32 for 2). A complete domination by GMC Taira. ആദ്യ മത്സരത്തിലെ തോൽവിക്ക് ശേഷം പിന്നീട് 2 വിജയങ്ങളോടുകൂടി അടുത്ത റൗണ്ടിലേക്കുള്ള സീറ്റ് ബുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ GMC Taira റെഡിയാകുമ്പോൾ മറുഭാഗത്തൊരു വെടിക്കെട്ട് ബാറ്റിംഗുമായി അൻസാഫിന്റെ ബാറ്റ് അടുത്ത റൗണ്ടിലേക്ക് ഒന്ന് മൂർച്ച കൂട്ടി റെഡിയാക്കി ടീം ബാസ്ക് ബദിരയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി തയ്യാറെടുപ്പുകളോടുകൂടി വീണ്ടും ഒരെണ്ണം റിയൽ അൻസാഫ് arrived here, and that will be the end of the game. 2 sixes to complete the action, and that will be the end of the match. And മത്സരത്തിലെ മാൻ ഓഫ് ദ മാച്ച് ആയി തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നു ചാച്ചി ആലമ്പാടി. കൺഗ്രാറ്റുലേഷൻ ചാച്ചി. 19 പന്തിൽ 49 റൺസുകളുമായി ഇടിവെട്ട് ബാറ്റിംഗിന്റെ വെടിക്കെട്ടുമായി ചാച്ചി മുന്നിൽ നിന്ന് പടനയിക്കുമ്പോൾ GMC Taira മറ്റൊരു വിജയം കൈക്കലാക്കുന്നു. കൺഗ്രാറ്റുലേഷൻസ്.